Yinka Ayefele mo pé ẹ ló má darí kan ni mo rí pé àwọn èèyàn ò fẹ́ dárúkọ yín wọ́n fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ wọ́n fún yín ní respect. Yeah, princess dẹ̀ ti jáde nsìn ó ti sọ̀rọ̀. Yinka Ayefele mo pé ẹ lè take time yín láti lọ wo fídíò yẹn kẹ́dẹ̀ gbọ́n nǹkan tí princess sọ nítorí pé alábòsí ni yín. Mo rí pé àwọn èèyàn ò fẹ́ dárúkọ yín wọ́n fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ wọ́n fún yín ní respect. Ṣé ló má darí kan ni ẹ ti jábọ̀ báyìí lẹ wà tẹ́lẹ̀ ẹ jábọ̀ gbì for you to give Baba Ijesha the platform láti wá sọ nonsense ní radio station yín. Èyí náà tún wá ń ṣe update bí ẹ tó bá jóbìnrin ni o wá ní justice for lágbájá tó bá jọkùnrin ni o kíníkan ẹ rí pé ẹ ní tìjú ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà highly placed in the society ṣó yẹ kó máa bá yín ní Dira dáradára tẹ́ bá fẹ́ help Baba Ijesha kò sẹ́ni tó ní kẹ́ má help Baba Ijesha kò sẹ́ni kankan tó ní kó cancel ẹ̀ kò dẹ̀ sẹ́ni kankan tó sọ pé kó má dìde mọ́ but not that way ẹ má fi gún wa lójú ẹ má fi nù wa mọ̀ jẹ Yinka Ayefele ẹ tẹ́ wà láìtàláì torí mo ní pé gbogbo èèyàn fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ gbogbo yín kàn bú Biola Adebayo ní Biola nìkan kọ́ ló wà ń bẹ̀ náà we have a lot of enablers now tí wọ́n sọ fún Baba Ijesha pé máa jó lọ mò ń wẹ̀ yẹn Baba Ijesha ò déédéé máa ṣe gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ṣe yẹn àwọn kan ló wà nínú odò tó ń lùlù fún ẹ lè imagine mo wà disappointed nínú yín Yinka Ayefele láti fún ní platform láti wá máa parọ́ tẹ́ bá tẹ̀ fún ní platform pé kó wá apologize mo gbọ́ yẹn ẹ fẹ́ gbọ́ tẹ̀ ẹnu ẹ̀ kí ló fẹ́ sọ ọ̀rọ̀ wo ló wà lẹ́nu ẹ̀ tó fẹ́ sọ pẹ̀lú gbogbo fídíò tá a rí ó sọ pé wọ́n frame òun ó dẹ̀ ń parọ́ bó ṣe ń parọ́ yìí that means pé kò lè change this man can never change tó bá tún di in the nearest future ó sì máa ṣe kò lè change ní ohun tó ṣe kí ló ń parọ́ fún ó ti ṣe ó lè whitewash ara ẹsẹ̀ gbàgbé lóòótọ́ ni náà ọmọ sọ fún yẹ pé òun assault òun wọn ò ní evidence kankan against ẹ wọ́n wá invite ẹ pé kó wá ṣe film ó kẹkà tẹ ni wọ́n wá invite ẹ pé kó wá ṣe film tó wá gbé ọmọ yẹn sí ẹ̀gbẹ́ ẹ wọn ò gbé sórí ẹsẹ̀ ẹ o kò dẹ̀ wà ní ìhòhò ó jókòó ni ìwọ ló lọ bá ló lọ ń fa ọmọ yẹn tún resist ó tún fà á because ó ti ń ṣe tipẹ́ ó ti ń ṣe ó ṣe bí your usual business ni ìwọ ló ń fa ọmọ yẹn kí ló wá ń sọ wọ́n tàn ẹ́ owó lójú àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń sọ gan pàápàá gan ṣó hard up ní story ẹ̀ ò hard up now Yinka Ayefele wá ń ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé ẹ mọ nǹkan tẹ́ ń ṣe ṣe wà okay ẹ fẹ́ tẹ́ o wà láìtàláì ẹ fẹ́ tẹ́ ẹ lọ jáwọ́ tẹ́ bá fẹ́ Baba Ijesha ẹ help ẹ kó dead kẹ́ ẹ dẹ̀ help ẹ kẹ́ mọ bẹ ṣe fẹ́ help ẹ kí ṣe pé kẹ́ wá fẹ́ fi gún wa lójú ẹ má lọ rò pé torí pé ẹ ní fan base tó strong pé ẹ lè máa ṣe yàmàyàmà pẹ̀lú ẹ máa tẹ́ ni wà láìtàláì ẹ fẹ́ lọ máa kírun lórí BRT lè nìyẹn kí lẹ mean so ẹ̀yin náà ṣẹ́yìn náà lè ṣe ẹjọ́ ṣé tó bá jẹ́ pé Baba Ijesha nǹkan tó ṣe yẹn ó ṣe fún ọmọ tẹ́yìn bí nínú ara yín àbí ọmọ sísítà yín àbí ọmọ ọ̀rẹ́ yín àbí fámìlì yín àbí níìsí yín ṣé máa fún ní platform kó wá máa sọ yamayama ẹ bẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run because a lot of people tí ọ̀rọ̀ bá ṣẹlẹ̀ tí ó bá ti ń ṣẹ̀yìn báyìí kò sí èyí tó kàn yín ẹ máa wà biased ni ọmọ èèyàn ní now ó yẹ kẹ́ rántí pé a minor is involved and ọmọ ẹyọ kọ̀ọ̀kan ló wà involved o they said there are a lot of victims tí wọ́n fẹ́ jáde síta kí ló ń ṣe yín now ẹ̀yin tẹ́ lè pé Baba Ijesha ẹ lè pé Ayefele ẹ̀yin tẹ́ lè pé Baba Ijesha ẹ lè pé princess náà now kẹ́ tó máa dájọ́ ọ̀yà abiyamọ là ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa èyí now ṣé rí ẹ jẹ́ kí n sọ kíní kan fún yín ṣé rí ẹ̀yin Nigerian men you can do better o ṣé nígbà táwọn kékeré ó ní máa nǹkan báyìí ó ní àwọn grown up girls àwọn àgbàlagbà ṣé ráwọn ọmọ kéékèèké tí wọ́n tiẹ̀ tó àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ àwọn ni máa yìí ló máa ń lọ ń fún ó dẹ̀ ní owó lọ́wọ́ àwọn ni máa yìí máa lọ ń fún lówó tó máa assault wọn bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe máa ń ṣe nìyẹn ṣe bí wọn ọ̀rọ̀ òun mú tó bá jẹ́ láyé ìsìn ni tá ti lajú tá a rọ́mọ kan tó lọ sọ fún parent ẹ̀ tó ti gbé lọ sí police station irú yín ẹ pọ̀ gbogbo yín ẹ̀yin lẹ ń support Baba Ijesha ẹ rí nǹkan tó bad nínú nǹkan tó ṣe you can do better a lot of men ló ń ṣe aláwọn ẹlòmíín sẹ ọmọ ìyàwó wọn bóyá ìyàwó wọn ti lọ́mọ kọ̀ọ̀kan tó wá fẹ́ wọn àwọn ọmọ ìyàwó wọn wọ́n ń ṣe fún wọn àwọn obìnrin mi kẹrẹ wọ́n ń cover shit yẹn fún àwọn ọkọ wọn irú àwọn obìnrin yẹn lè rí tí wọ́n up from one platform to the other láti máa bú àwa tá à ń speak against ìwà àbàjẹ́ tí Baba Ijesha wù ṣẹ́rí a kàn ń pariwo ni pé government ṣe ráwọ̀ èèyàn gan aburú a lot of people tó ṣe pé wọ́n support Baba Ijesha lẹ́ni gang fighting ni nítorí pé ẹni tí Baba Ijesha tó bá ní issue wọ́n ń bàjà so wọ́n máa support gbogbo evil Baba Ijesha èmi ò kí ń ṣe gang fighting and I don't support evil abiyamọ ni mí gbogbo ìwà tá bá ń wò láyé yìí àtúbọ̀tán ni ká máa rò. Yínká Ayéfẹ́lẹ́ ẹ lọ change ìwà yín, kí ló ń ṣe yín? ẹ fẹ́ máa fi rọ́gún wa lójú. Ṣé ní gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ pọ̀ lẹ́yìn bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà tẹ́ sọ fún pé kó máa nìṣó yẹn, ẹ bá wa bí we pin here, ẹ lè fi rọ́gún wa lójú. Baba Jesha has to come out and apologize. Baba Jesha should not come out and tell us he was framed. Irani. We know they hear. O lè máa parọ́, o wá parọ́ mọ́ ọmọ lọ́mọ. Ṣó mọ trauma tí ọmọ yẹn tó ń go through. Ṣó mọ bóyá ọmọ yẹn ti heal. O tún wá ń parọ́. Wọ́n parọ́ mọ́ ẹni. Kí ló ń try láti sọ? Kí ló ń try láti sọ? Wípé court of law ta ní Nigeria wọ́n wà manipulated or what? Ṣé wọ́n rí evidences ni? Ṣé bó wọ́n high court ó tún lọ sí appeal? Ṣé wọ́n wo gbogbo àwọn evidences tí wọ́n gbé wá síwájú judge ni kí wọ́n tó convict ẹni? Ó dẹ̀ wá ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé dídìrín ni wọ́n má máa parọ́ mọ́. Bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà stop irọ́ bọ́lẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ má parọ́ rádaràda fún wa mọ́. Ṣó gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ̀ ń bú Biola nìkan kan ló wà ń di ẹ̀. Biola kan forí kò ní ó ṣàyà gbangba kápẹ́ kò ń ṣòun ló kọ́kọ́ ṣe interview bóyá kò bá má jẹ́ tó yìí. Àwọn Yínká Ayéfẹ́lẹ́ ńkọ́? Yínká Ayéfẹ́lẹ́ náà wà ń bẹ̀ náà. Ẹ fún Yínká Ayéfẹ́lẹ́ náà jẹ náà. Yínká Ayéfẹ́lẹ́ tẹ̀tú láyò ń ṣọ́pdéètì àwọn olóń ṣọ́pdéètì fún tó rán respect ẹ. Wọ́n sáré wá fún ẹ sìn kíákíá vite fait. Ṣé ìwá mi ni? Ẹ stop ẹ.
In my own opinion, listen, in my own opinion, that video apology that Biola Adebayo did, to me, is not necessary. Doing that, you just enabled your bullies, you just enabled your haters. Do you get? And doing that, you automatically agree, or you accept the fact that what they accused you of, you are guilty of it. That's what that apology video means. And to those of us that are, supporting you and standing by you that, okay, this is not right, you haven't done anything wrong like that, for giving Baba Ijesha the platform. But you coming out that you thought you wanted to come and apologize. Okay, for that man to come to your platform and not apologize, does that not telling us something? Because me, I don't use emotion. I use logic here. Do I not tell you something? Courts will act based on the evidences that they bring to the courts. Whether those evidences were true or not. So we all are acting based on what they show us. This is the background of the whole thing. We don't know. Some of those that doesn't know, that don't know. This is the background of whole thing. Or I don't know what transpired between Baba Ijesha and Princess. It just happened that they said that, okay, Princess maybe went to the police station and said, Baba Ijesha, harassing that girl, probably grape when she was 7 years old. And I said that, okay, you want to bring up the case, but they said that they cannot. There is nothing they want to hold against him. There is no evidence. So I think that what brought about maybe the setting, the acting and everything. Maybe he will fall or something. I don't know. So that was what bring about the video that we saw. But Baba Ijesha was looking at. I don't know. He said he was acting. He said he did that thing. God knows. Now they convicted him. He went to jail. What did he want him to do? Whether that true or not, he has served a jail term. There are a lot of people in the in the prison that are that are serving that jail time based on what they know nothing about. It happens. That's what it is. There are a lot of people in prison today. So it doesn't mean that they are guilty of what they accuse them of. But courts, they act based on evidence. That's what it is. Now, to Biola Adebayo, you know what you just did? You just, what can I call it? You just indulge your hater, like I said. You know what? When next you bring somebody they don't like, when next you bring somebody they don't like to your podcast, this is what they'll be doing to you. They have started since when you brought Bukola Oke. I'm happy that you don't even respond to those things. I thought you would have done the same thing this time. That's what it is. You have enabled them. You have indulged them. Next time you bring somebody they don't like, they will stand up and they will expect two things from you. One, they expect you to bring the video down. Two, come out and apologize. You have activated them. Honestly, to me, I don't know. I might not say the same way, but in my own opinion, like I said, that apology video is not necessary. But then, it's what it is. Sometimes you just apologize because you want fire to cease, or you don't want, maybe you're running away from problem, or I don't know, from criticism. Or let everything just die like that. Sometimes that's why people apologize. It doesn't mean that they are wrong, but in some cases you stand. Except you say you have any ulterior motive. You get. But it's not easy. You have activated and you have indulged them. Anytime you bring somebody that you don't like, they will bash you, they will abuse and everything. Till you bring a video down, then you come out and apologize.
You see, one thing that I really like about this whole Baba Ijesha issue is the fact that he's granting interviews. And I'll tell you why. If he had come out of prison and he has laid low and he's not talking, and the people who actually reported him were the ones talking and bashing him, this whole thing would have gone differently, because there are some certain people online who would have come out to say, oh, he has gone to prison, he has served his time, what more do you want? All of those things. Nigerians are very funny with the way we think sometimes. But I just love the fact that he shot himself in the leg. He has started granting interviews and he's doing PR for his movie. Oh, he wants to say everything that happened in the film. We should anticipate the film, this and that. He wants to monetize the situation. Now, I'll ask you, you claim that you were set up and you were sent to prison for something that you did not do, right? And you claim that you were innocent and all that. If you did not do something, that we obviously also saw evidence and stuff like that, yeah? But let's face the facts. Let's face what we see. If you really did not do what you were accused of doing, you did not touch that child, because now he's very smart. He's using the word grape. Oh, he didn't grape this child. And the evidence that we have is not about grape, right? It's about harassment. It's about you essayed this child, you touched that child in a very bad way. I don't want to go into the details. So if you claim that you did not do it, the first thing that you should do when you come out of prison, is it really to monetize your pain or to clear your name? Is it really to monetize the situation and try and say, okay, you would not say anything, or you don't want to defame Princess? If Princess really sent you to jail for something that you did not do, would you come out of prison after 3 years to say that, oh, I don't want to defame Princess, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to just put everything in a movie. You guys should watch the movie, a movie that you're obviously going to make money of. So now you come out of prison and you want to monetize, you want to make money out of somebody's pain, because it's obviously not your pain. You want to make money out of an innocent child's life, like something that you did that a very traumatic event for a child. You want to monetize it, you want to milk the situation, and you expect people not to talk, and you expect people will accept it and watch it and say, yeah, okay, this man is innocent. You claim to have been set up. Anybody who has been set up, who has been sent to prison innocently, will not come out and try to make money out of that situation immediately. The person will come out and try to clear their name, because if you are somebody with integrity, you would want to clear your name and say, oh, I didn't do this thing. This person set me up. If it was me that was innocent, that was lied against and sent to prison innocently, if I come out, the first thing that I would do is go after that person and clear my name, because I value my integrity. But yeah, social media, everybody has divided opinions. Oh, he said he didn't do it. Oh, this, oh, that. Even when we saw evidence, we practically saw what happened on camera. We don't know what happened off camera, but we're talking about the things that we saw on camera. We're talking about how a child was SA'd on camera. But then, it is what it is.
ọ̀tẹ̀ ló ń jẹ́ ìlú ń pè ọ́, kò sẹ́ni tí ò lórúkọ tiẹ̀, àti wípé ọmọ kì í gọ̀ títí sẹ́ẹ̀ kó gbàgbé orúkọ ara rẹ̀. ààfin tèmi ò nílò ìdánimọ̀ lọ́jà, tó bá dọ́jà báyìí wọ́n á mọ̀ pé ó dọ́jà ni. èmi tí ń tòótọ́ Samuel Owóyẹmí, fẹ́lẹ́fẹ́lẹ́ láyé lórúkọ mi, fẹ́lẹ́ ní gbogbo èèyàn mọ̀ mí sí. èmi náà kọ́, Ọlọ́run ọba òkè ló fún mi ṣe ní gbogbo ìgbà.